Brandy here from Stonebridge Children's Center. Today we're going to do a science experiment. It is called fireworks in a jar. And then for our fireworks in a jar, we're going to need a glass of water, we're going to need oil, some food coloring, and something to mix our food coloring and oil together. So let's try. We try and find creative ways in the classroom to keep our children engaged. When we do a science experiment in the classroom, we usually try and do like an observation after. Like as the science experiment is going, you can ask a lot of open-ended questions to the children. And ask them, like, what do they see? What do you think is going to happen? So we're just mix the food coloring up with the oil, and then as we drop it in here, oil and water don't mix. So when the food coloring separates from the oil, you can see and it looks like fireworks in a jar. You can try it with different colors. Let's try with pink and see what color combinations you can come up with some fireworks in a jar. And you can see it all falling. Because the oil and the water will separate. So your food coloring will fall through and making your firework.